So cold. Oh no! There goes the cone! That's a traffic cone floating down the street. Oh, it's hilarious. Oh, it stopped at the end of my street. Nope, there it goes. Oh, there goes a palm leaf. Go to the car and get the... Broke right through my dam. Backyard is just completely flooded. Well, at least my house isn't flooded. Poor driveway. So there it is. All right across. And all of this is flowing right down the street. There's no way I can capture it all. Just gotta have spillways. Like pour a wheelbarrow. I can't open my container because it would overflow too. Well, at least it's not flowing up into the house, so that's a good sign. I'm going to go in the front now. Well, that side of the yard fared okay. Didn't go up over into the house area, so that's good. This side didn't go into the house area either, so that's good. It's just, seems like it's slacking off. This whole area was just flowing like crazy. It's the backyard that's still flowing down the street. And it has slacked off some because it's, yes, it's over the curb, but it's not as bad as it was. Let's see if I can come out here. All this could be there could be a chicane there, and there could also be my cutouts here. Sort of slow the flow down the street. I'm happy that it's not getting up into the house, so that's good. Woohoo! Okay, I'm going in.